Hello guys and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to unbox and review the Maisto Jeep Wrangler 2014 model in yellow color. I've already opened it before, I had it in the storage, but today I thought I should make a kind of unboxing and also a review because maybe some of you are interested in buying this model, so I want to showcase it to you. So let's proceed with the unboxing. So as for the box, it is the standard special edition Maisto box. It has these recommendations at the back. And some instructions. And we open it from here, like this. We'll pull this down. And we lift this up. So of course, like the Burago Ferrari models and also other models, and as for Maisto, for example, Audi R8, or for Ferrari California of Maisto, has this plastic packaging too, which is stackable and it's nice. You can create a shelf with these things. And as you can see, the model looks very nice and the scale of it looks very realistic. So let's proceed with the unboxing. So the paint job is a very nice yellow color. You can see that it has very nice level of details. The grille looks nice, the headlights look nice, it has the fog lights here, turn signals, all the logos. And the quality is very nice, the plastic surfaces feel very good. And you can see that it has made plastic parts and glossy plastic parts. The wheels looks also very nice. They steer and they roll nicely. There is a suspension system. And as you can see in the bottom, also has some level of details. You can see the exhaust system from the front to the back, and the axles looks very nice. And if you want to open the hood, you use these plastics to release the hood. The hood opens nicely. As you can see, it sits nicely, it stays open, and the details in the engine compartment are very nice also. It has a lot of painted parts, and you can see that it has also a writing on the engine. Looks very nice. As you can see, it closes also very nicely. It stays pretty much in every position. The windshield is very nice and transparent. You see the side turning signals. It's also very nice detail. The mirrors are hard plastic and they have a relatively good reflective surface. The door opens and closes, feels very durable, and also the interior has some nice details. I don't know if I will be able to show it to you correctly. As you can see, the whole section here in the upper side, it's plastic, the frame of the door. So this section is the metal part. You can see in the interior there is nice details. Looks very realistic. Especially if you are a skilled painter, you can paint all these buttons and make it look even more realistic. I'm not so good at it, but anyway. And also you can see the roof setup. This whole section of the roof is plastic, so that's also nice if you want to make a modified version of it. We also have glass surfaces in all the windows, even at the back. You see here the third stop light, the spare wheel, and the taillights are also nicely made. The rear door opens at the lower section, the upper section doesn't open. You can see here the rear seats, and also you have a decent space in the trunk. That's nice. Very nice detail also for the fuel cap. Looks nice. Overall, it's not, considering all the plastic pieces, overall the model is not so lightweight. You can see also the details with the stickers at the back. And this is a piece of rivet that I added, so I can tow trailers. This was a rivet and I bent it and made a tiny hole in here with a drill, and I placed it and I applied hot silicone glue from the inside so it's not visible, and I created this tow hook with a rivet. It's an aluminum rivet, and actually let me show you. So I had this yellow trailer from a toy, and mostly I use this for this car. So basically I open the rear door a little bit and I place it here, then I close it so it's pretty stable and it cannot come off. So it rolls nicely. And also this at the back has a latch and the rear door opens, and you can load stuff like a bike, for example, and it's a lot of fun. So that was a bonus. I hope you liked it and you found it useful. I want to keep this video short, so I'm ending it here. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. So that's all for today's video. As always, thank you for watching, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.